一直都听说我们5年风景时候哪个条件不听话啊？老百姓
是，
只要吃饱喝好就可以了。
不过大家听话，如果真的政府有好点子，
也好
发展的是快。
当然我们建一座桥，是2个月搞定了，你们美国人5年，
对对对
，5年到10年甚至搞不定啊！要申请出批证啊，都是。
I need you to hold it over there because it's too
you need
close.
Me to film.
Well, I don't like the way I look on this side. What are you doing? Flip it back up so you can see ourselves.
No, you see you mean?
No. No, baby.
I'm not gonna hold it and...
No, you're gonna be like in the...
No! Dang, baby.
There you go. You look fine. You always look good. I'm the one that looks...
Come on, man.
Come on. Okay.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh, you got all that?
Yes! Hope you're proud.
That better go in the vlog.
Alright. I'll get closer. Not too close though, because I don't condone this face. I'm too close.
Okay.
Okay, baby, talk about what you thought of China.
I did not like the food. Our Airbnb was awesome. Starbucks was awesome. And I had to go on a special trip for Tang because she had heartburn.
Okay.
And I didn't have any, I don't know how to speak that good of...
Okay, so we got there a few days early, which was pretty cool because we tried to get rid of jet lag. But, you know, I think we need a week.
I'm still feeling it.
Yeah, I'm still feeling it. We're just old.
Yes.
But, okay, what did you think of our first Airbnb?
It was amazing. Like, it was, when you look at it from the front, it's like, oh man, this is what did she get us into? But you kind of go around the back and through this alley, and then it just opens up into this little gate, and you'll see in the video, it was so good.
Yeah, it was really cool. It was like my aunt's house. Yeah, not that anybody cares, but it was kind of like my aunt's house growing up. It's in like a typical old building where the outside looks horrid, but the inside, most of the units are all remodeled and very, very compact and well utilized. Yeah, so that was really, really nice to be in compared to a hotel, because all hotels feel the same in a way. But that one felt like it had more character. It felt like we were, you know, residents of Shanghai instead of just travelers.
Yeah, we would just go and walk around, look at all the shops downtown. It was really, really cool.
Okay, let's talk about...
Can I take a break? My arm's about to fall off.
Yeah.
The comfort of our house.
Okay. Nope. All right.
You
Okay.
recording?
Yep. So let's move forward and talk about the race, which I'm happy about. I'm happy with the result. Okay, you talk about how you think I did, since you are my coach.
I love you, but you kind of flew like shit. I'm sorry.
So
that's just what it is.
I think I probably performed my 70% potential.
Nah, it's more like 60%. I've seen what you do.
That's very sweet.
What you have is that night fury disease. So night fury is the old Sean Taylor that would be blazing fast in practice or qualifying and this and that. And then if he got into the finals, it was just a big catastrophe mess. So Junebug caught the night fury disease, and we're going to have to figure out a way to kill that problem. She overthinks things, but yeah.
And obviously the format didn't help, you know. Everybody only got three or 4 packs at most during practice, and I got mid-air 3 times actually.
Yeah, so the way it was
yeah.
The team, I got to see it, like the team kept crashing into each other, and it wasn't so much anybody's fault. It's just accidents, and it's just when you're trying to practice, you're not focused so much on making sure you're trying to stay out of somebody else's way. You're trying to learn your own lines, and I mean, it's just, you know, that's just the way that it goes. And she unfortunately, out of 10 minutes, probably got to fly
3 laps.
Yeah, it was about 3 solid laps, but we're talking less than 3 minutes.
But not even like
combined.
Straight through laps.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Like.
So I mean, who knows? That may have been the same or worse for other people. We don't know, but
that's why I'm not talking about that too much, because I do think I could have performed better overall. So
but that's what it is. It's the pursuit. It's the pursuit.
You know, pursuit of perfection, and it's really just a race. It's really just a race against ourselves more than anything, and I wasn't happy with.
Well, and against other people. It's a race against other people too. I mean, that's how you get to the podium.
Really? I didn't know that. Okay,
yeah.
I'll try.
So she's learning.
She's
learning.
Yeah. So, moving on, because you know that was actually a long time ago. It's already the new year. Happy New Year's, everybody. I wanted to talk about what my plans are going forward. So it's gonna be harder. Last year, I know a lot of people saw my training videos and probably assumed that I just have this free daycare grandma situation that we could just go out and fly and get all the practice we want. But let me just clarify that a little bit. So it was after I qualified for the position in June, the end of June, that I felt the need to do my best. I felt, since I was representing the US, that it wasn't just up to me to slack off. I felt like, you know, I took somebody's spot. There were like 5 females at IO really trying hard, and because I was in the position I was in, I needed to practice, not just for myself but for the position I was in. So with that being said, I talked to family, and what ended up happening is that my mom and my brother's girlfriend's mom had agreed to take shifts during the day. So between the 2 of them, I would try to get 4 to 5 days per week to practice in the afternoon.
And that was about 2 solid hours of those.
Yeah, we try to get at least 2. So none of them are retired. My mom's not retired. It was just
a team effort. It was
like
solid,
a team effort.
full
Everybody,
family team
you know,
effort.
Intentionally scheduling certain things differently so it can work. For me. So we made it happen. It was just a collaboration of everyone's effort that made it all happen, and I'm so grateful, which is why I'm a lot harder on myself than anyone else about my performance, because while 3rd place is amazing, I'm very proud to have podium for the US. I think I could have done better, and I felt like I put in so much that I wanted to see more out of myself, and but I am still very grateful and happy of the outcome, because it can always be worse, right? So, but going forward, I had a lot of time to think. I think training wise, of course, I'm going to keep trying to get out here every second I get. Like today, New Year's, I'm out here. But you know, scheduling is going to be tougher because I don't have that collaboration of guaranteed, you know, daycare that I worked out.
It's
the last
January
few months.
1st, and this is the second time that she's been able to fly since China.
Yeah.
Because it's back to reality, like any other parents who want to fly, try to fly, you just can't.
So, here's my idea. It might blow in my face, it might just be worthless, but my idea is to be more creative with my training. That includes simulation practice, video game, Forza,
video
I don't
games,
know, anything
that we could do.
Reaction speed, lines, racing lines,
Mm-hmm.
Of course flying with the 3-inch stuff. Yeah, I guess I'll try to be like Rocky versus Drago.
Yep.
You know, where I'll be training in the trenches instead of in a proper gym.
Trenches, where it stinks. You train in the trenches where it stinks, because that's where you make the gains, the FPV gains. Joanna gains.
Oh my god. Stop. No, you did not.
I didn't. It was so yeah, but I'm really excited to see what this year brings us as an FPV couple.
We'll update you.
For sure, the GTB 339 spec class is what we're doing now. Say hi, Ian.
Hi, Ian.
Hi, Ian. We're out here to practice some spectacular spec racing today.
Oh my god, you on the puns today, stop.
Okay, shutting up.
I think you missed the tree. You missed the entire tree. What in the world? Okay, you're done. Here.
Did you get it?
I got it on the right branch.
You did? Oh, nice.
Yeah, hitting it with a shoe was not going to do anything. Yeah! What the quad? Whoa, I gotta get my shoe.